life, man, that's lessons on lessons on lessons. I treat the beat like it's a reverend. I tell the truth like, Father, forgive me. These are all my confessions, man. This wasn't luck, it was destined. I done lost homies who been with me since Ed, Ed, and Eddie, who flip like confetti. And then when you back, they back to call you dog. That shit can get petty. Bitch, don't get no jack.
Okay, I have a super long layover at LAX. I look so pale right now, and I just had to throw my hair up in a bun because it was getting on my nerves, and I got hot and take my jacket off. But yeah, I got some Starbucks, and I'm like sitting at this random gate because I'm gonna be here for a minute, and I don't want to be around people. So I got some Starbucks, but look what they put my name as. Is that focused? The man asked me how to spell my name, and I told him. So, I don't know what went wrong. I'm sitting at some random gate. I came to the international terminal because there's more space and not as many people. Sitting here for like 5 hours-ish. Longer than 5 hours, I think. Which is fine. Anyways, okay, I'll talk to y'all later.
On behalf of Delta and this Honolulu and Los Angeles based crew, we enjoy having you on board.
Oh, this is about to go so hard. It's 5 a.m. back home, and it's only like 11 o'clock here. No, it's 4 a.m. It's 11 o'clock here, that means it's, yeah, 4 a.m. back home. What's that? I'm so tired. I'm about to take a shower and go to bed. Yeah, talk to you guys tomorrow. We're walking to the beach.
Sunrise number 1.
Yes. What time is it?
It is 6:20.
And we've been up since
4 o'clock.
I love being alive.
Oh my gosh. I already cried on the way here because this is just beautiful. This is the view from the house. How beautiful. There's Allie. Hey Allie, she looks so cute. I'm sitting out here, just like enjoying the views. Wow, I feel so blessed. Like just to be able to be in a place like this and to be able to financially afford doing something like this. But I'm gonna walk to the beach for the sunrise every morning because that was just gorgeous. You don't want to say hi to my vlog? Why not? Okay, alright, forget it. Okay, love you too, bye. Can y'all hear all that nature? Do you hear the nature? There was a rooster. I don't know where this rooster is, but good thing I was already up because homeboy was going hard with the cock-a-doodle-doos for at least an hour and a half. I don't know where he's at. He's somewhere over here because my window's right here. He's somewhere over here. But alright, talk to y'all later in like 2 seconds whenever I edit this and wherever I am next time I film. Look at how beautiful that is. The views here are crazy. And you can hike up there. There's like a lookout like right there. There's people up there. So we're definitely gonna hike up there so I can show y'all the view.
If it's up, then it's up with us.
Here, how about I just pass the camera around and you just introduce yourself?
Oh, I'm Allie. I'm Samantha. Camille.
Great.
And me.
Going to Whole Foods.
Look how good these strawberries are. Are you guys chips and guac people?
Yeah.
I say that to no one.
We stopped at this lookout. Hold up, I'm about to show y'all this view because this is crazy. Oh my gosh. I've never seen anything like this before. Like, look how blue the water is. Y'all see how blue this is? Like, I really just want to jump in. Okay, we gotta walk down these stairs over here to get down there, but it looks beautiful.
Oh my god, something smells absolutely heaven. Something smells absolutely heaven.
What is that?
It's a bento box.
Oh, yeah.
Woo! Acai bowl.
I really want shaved ice, though.
That was actually really cute. Always ready to pose.
That looks fire.
It does look very fire.
It's just pineapple?
I think so. I think it's pineapple and cream.
Oh, okay. No.
Like Finley is a water dog. Yeah, Finley. He's so cute. So good. This morning, I was wondering like why is he coming out at 10 a.m. Yeah. I never brewed at. I really don't want.
Hey. Okay, so we're about to... Wait, I don't even know where we're going. Where are we going? I'm trying to vlog.
We're going to the grocery store and then to get a kayak.
Oh yeah, and then bike riding.
Yeah.
And then kayaking.
All while we're waiting for Sam.
Should be fun. I'm gonna try and film while we're biking, but we'll see how that goes because that hasn't gone well for me in the past. But I'm gonna try to do it for the vlog.
Yeah, so found it in the sand. You found it in the sand?
Oh, I was about to say, no way.
Well, you guys go out here with the kayak?
So we're staying further down the beach around the corner.
You guys have the kayak over there?
We have the kayak over there, but we're gonna get one more kayak from the rental place since we don't have. Yeah, it's cool. When we get there, what's there? I read that there's some places you can swim.
Well, okay. Yeah, okay. Well, you have to take shoes.
Shoes, yeah.
Not slippers.
Yeah.
You know, tennis shoes. Or
Your shoes, like your shoes,
or
yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Well, you go around the island. You go on the island. You go around.
Sure.
Oh, you guys rich, eh? Oh, brother.
Stu, are you okay if I get you on my video? Is that okay?
Oh yeah.
Okay, cool. I just wanted to make sure.
That's right.
That's what I'm saying. Please tell me where Obama is because I need to find him.
If you come.
Wow, look how pretty that is. The views here are just so beautiful. Uh-oh, what's he showing? What are you showing us?
Racing boats.
Yeah, just right here. Merge with this.
Ooh, this is beautiful.
That is so cool.
At one time, it was one log. One whole core log there. When I was young, I used to build this. But I didn't build this one. Yeah. I built 6 of them.
This is behind the scenes.
Behind the scenes.
Yeah.
We're getting a picture.
Oh, these are the Jasmine. I love these. No, keep going. Stop.
Okay, good. All right. Welcome to the Ali and Jasmine. Are you doing it, Camille? The Ali, Jasmine, and Camille juice tasting,
Fresh, local Hawaiian juice tasting
thing.
haul. Where should we try first?
Let's just start over here.
Okay, this is Lily Koi Passion.
I've never
Juice
even heard
drink.
of that before.
Passion fruit. Lily Koi. Poker face.
Can't let y'all know what I'm thinking.
Camille, you go first.
I like it. Yeah, I do too.
I don't think the passion fruit's strong enough, and it tastes like very pineapple-y, but it's really good.
It tasted kind of guava-ish to me.
Guava.
Yeah.
This one's from concentrate though, and it was 80 cents, and these ones are like $4, and they are like real.
So
these,
this is like not really real juice.
probably not. It
was
says
like
so. This is 5% juice, and this is 20% juice. So
because these were a lot more.
These were like
expensive.
$4 each.
But I think it's worth it. Hopefully.
So this one's Lily Koi, and this one's Lily Koi Passion. I literally don't know what a Lily Koi is.
Hawaiian word for passion.
Because when I smelled it, it smells like passion fruit. So Lily Koi is passion fruit. Okay, cool.
Oh.
Jasmine's very. Go Camille. Okay, I like it.
That's
very
passion fire.
That's very
Yeah,
passion.
you can
Why
tell
do you laugh?
No,
This one's very
because
fresh.
I was trying to hide my face, but because you can tell that this is the better version of the
Of that,
other one.
exactly.
Yeah. Oh, that one was $3.79.
Lily Koi, yeah. Okay, this one's Hawaiian smoothie, pineapple juice, papaya, banana, coconut, honey. And it's like smoothie consistency, so it's thicker.
I don't know if it focused on it, but it's okay.
I don't like it. Really? I think I just
Texture is like
something's
really
weird about the
throwing me.
Okay, next is orange pineapple. This was Jasmine's choice.
I had to make sure I was recording. Yeah.
Orange pineapple.
Orange pineapple? What? That sounds freaking fire.
No, I'm just saying like this is the one you picked out, but of course you can't go wrong with orange pineapple. It's
Exactly. That's
so
why I
good.
picked it up. I was like, it's gonna be good. I know. That's what's up.
I mean, I'm
that
not
one
surprised.
is really good.
Wait, how good were our smoothies yesterday though? Those were the best smoothies.
That one
of all
was
time.
$5. That one was $5, but I think that's
Worth it.
That's
Oh, you know why? Because this is 100% juice. This one's apple strawberry. I just got this because it sounded weird. Never heard of that combo before.
It reminds me of like the little applesauces.
Yeah. Oh yeah, apple strawberry little Mott's applesauce.
Yeah.
Well, that just unlocked a childhood memory for me.
It's not my favorite, but I think it's still good.
To me, it's like a perfect mix of like it literally tastes like
lot of
apple
apple.
juice with a little strawberry.
Yeah,
I like it.
It's a lot of apple. I would rather it be more strawberry than apple.
Yeah. This last one is kombucha. It's local guava pineapple kombucha. Ooh.
Oh yeah, show them
And
that.
I love
packaging is
kombucha.
really cute.
Yeah, it's really pretty. It has this like golden, like embellished pineapple on it. Very
yeah.
pretty. I love kombucha. This is Jasmine's first time trying kombucha.
Last bottle.
So kombucha has a very distinct flavor, and this has a lot of that flavor. But to me, yerba mate is worse. And you
No,
like
I
yerba
really
mate.
like yerba mate.
I don't like
This
yerba mate.
blue flavor is my favorite.
I like it.
I don't think it
don't.
tastes enough like guava pineapple. Well, kombucha is made from the same process as vinegar, and I feel like it tastes vinegary.
That's what it is.
Yeah.
It does taste vinegary. Don't like that.
That's it.
All right.
That was our juice haul.
There's Sam. She's working. There's the pool. But the yard in this place is gorgeous. We're going kayaking, so that's why we have it out. But it's just so pretty. There's Allie.
Like you're kind of like you're shoveling.
Oh, okay. We're practicing our kayak. I'm filming.
So we'll just go together. We'll do one together right, one together left. And he said that we're gonna go all the way out to the island on the right, and then turn.
Okay, so this is probably super blurry, but I don't even know if they can hear me, but we're getting the kayaks into the water. Go, Allie! Our kayaking queen! I said you're our kayaking queen.
Alright, go.
One kayak, our other kayak. We kayaked from all the way over there. I don't remember where, but somewhere over there. That's like the main land we're on. And then we kayaked to this island. Crazy. There's another island over there that you can't go to.
Like it seems flatter
We just climbed all the way over here around these rocks. There's Allie. We just climbed from that sand all the way over here. Going great. They said there's whales somewhere over there, but I can't see them. I've been using this water bag just in case, so I've been putting my phone in here. I literally just sat my phone down on some rocks. I have on bathing suit bottom, obviously. Okay, the water's coming in over it. Come be in my video. Time to go. The water's coming in. She said, time to go. I swear, Allie just be disappearing. 1 minute she's here, next minute she's all the way back there. That, where Sam is, that's where we just were. And then we just like climbed around here.
Literally rock climb.
Yeah, literally. Rock climb. You're killing it, Sam. Oh, not empanadas.
100% the move.
Oh shit. I mean, shoot. All this stuff, there's too many options. This is what I'm about to get. I'm about to get 3 empanadas and a smoothie. Okay, so I got 3 empanadas. One is beef. I don't know which one's which. I should have figured that out. One's beef, one's chicken chipotle, and one is veggie. And then I got this good-ass green smoothie. Thank you, Sam, for being my hand model.
My pleasure.
Oh my gosh. Wait, what kind of fish is that?
This is a snapper.
Oh, can I taste that? Please.
Yeah, this looks very serious.
Wow. Allie just brought this fire-ass dip tuna, whatever it is. It's fire, and I cannot stop eating it. This looks good, Sam. No?
It's not? It's not what I was expecting, but I think it's pretty good, yeah.
Ooh, these are super cute. Are they like homemade or something?
They're vegan and protein.
Oh, if that's what it takes to hurt, sweetheart of yours.
Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We've had it back on nothing. Take you there, take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We've had it back on nothing. Take you there, take you there. Take you there. Won't you fill me up till my cup's overflowing? I'm so anxious just to feel the silence. It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby, it's about time we're making up time. The times you wasn't really waking up. Now you never said I couldn't let you touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just alone with you. So close, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We've had it back on take you there, take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We've had it back on take you there, take you.
Yeah, let's do just 5 and then
Oh, it's a whole family. Okay, our final verdict on the shrimp. It's not horrible, but it's not great. But it's not horrible, but it's not great, you know? I had high expectations, so maybe I should have lowered my expectations.
you should have.
Yeah. Okay, so we were sitting over there with the shrimp. Way too many bees, so we came over here. What was that? What? I think it was a leaf. Okay, we're good. They're still sitting over there, but there's bees. I don't do bees, so I came to sit over here. I'm supposed to try surfing today, but it's way too rough. The dude said where they do the surf lessons. He said like no one's surfing over here. Also, these pimples killing the vibe, but it's okay. This is so nice. in order to go over there, you have to like rent reef shoes, because if not, you're gonna cut yourself on the reef that's there. So I don't think we're gonna do that, but it's really beautiful. Like, look how sparkly the water is. Like, what? I just can't believe like people live here and they get to see this every day. I'm super jealous. Oh, wow.
Maybe he'll be attracted to one of you guys.
Oh shit, now he thinks we have food.
Don't let him come over here.
That's the prettiest.
Please be don't tease me, nothing to me. I want you to give to me, yeah. Please be don't tease me, nothing to me. I want you to give to me, yeah.
Whoa, whoa, yeah. Sometimes we laugh and sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now, baby. I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down, baby. We took a trip, now we on your block and it's like a ghost town, baby. Where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that? Tired of beefing you punks, you can't even pay me enough to react. Been waking up in the crib and sometimes I don't even know where I'm at. Please don't pay that nigga songs in this party. Yeah. Where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and
Here is our amazing surf instructor, Micah. He's the best. There's Jazzy too.
I don't think I'm in it anymore.
There you are. Okay guys, so we are at our surfing lesson. It is really, really fun. It's not that hard, but our guide has been helping us a lot. So he's been like pushing us and stuff. I'm being yelled to, so.
This is so cute.
Wow. I can knock this off my bucket list.
What?
Oh, there's a bigger screen in the back?
Mhm.
Oh. I've always wanted to go try surfing in Hawaii. That's like my #1 thing on my bucket list. Ah!
Which I think you almost did not go.
Yeah, either one.
Try
I didn't know
again.
GoPros could do pictures.
Yeah. Oh no, yeah, I can do everything. This one is wide too. It's like a wide angle.
I
So
just honestly, I don't have a use for that.
We just went surfing. Now we're walking to a waterfall.
Yes.
Review of surfing. A+++++++. It was so much fun.
Our instructor was beautiful.
He was gorgeous. So God really blessed us.
Yeah.
All these vines on these trees are so pretty. I know y'all hear that rooster. The roosters out here be... Oh, go ahead. Please be careful. That wasn't even close. My Gemini sister.
Gemini twins.
We were walking the wrong way. What was that?
A nut just fell off. Right.
No, that wasn't a nut. What is this?
These are. They're the seeds from the trees.
Show the vlog. That's what fell. I'm not used to like big old things from trees falling like that. Hopefully now we're walking the right way. We can't find the waterfall. I think we're just gonna skip it. Yeah, wow. Okay, so apparently to get to the big waterfall, you have to like go through the jungle. We're not going through the jungle, so this is where we're stopping. So we went across and we're like, yeah, no, so we came back.
That look good.
Don't it?
All right, let's go.
Wait, did you get chopsticks? Oh,
Yep,
okay.
2 for each.
When he tell the story, that's not how it went. Know they be lying 100%. Moved out of the wrist and forgot about that bed. Now they just call me to tell me come get it. Now that boy off and I don't want no credit. If it was me, they wouldn't regret it. Left me for dead and now they won't get it. Party still bleeding, my niggas still eat it. Like yo, they look like the garden they eat it. Pillows all fit, I'm spilling the tea. And then Shawty came back and said she didn't mean it. It's hard to believe it. I know that they at the crib gone crazy down bad. What they had didn't last. Down bad, what they had didn't last. Damn baby, down bad, what they had didn't last. Damn baby, down bad, what they had didn't last. Damn baby, down bad.
Wow, how pretty is this? This is gorgeous. Wow.
You know, like all the clouds look so nice. You're right, because the sunrise so weird.
You're right.
The sunset wouldn't have even done anything.
Yeah, it would have just been like maybe pretty colors in the sky. This is unreal.
This is so nice. Also, this water is so freaking warm.
It is. About to go on our hike. Very cute set from Amazon. And then I basically have on the same one. We're accidentally matching, but it works. And we love it. Going on a hike.
And eagles. Eagles are also, owls are mad scary.
Oh yeah, that's true. That's
Owls
true.
are-
That's true.
This is wild.
I know, isn't this crazy?
This is as far as I can go.
Yeah, I'm good with this.
Heights freak
But
me the
wow.
fuck out.
Do they?
This is way too high. We are very high.
Wow.
I think I can see our house.
This is our view.
Oh, yeah.
Look how pretty this is. Wow.
Okay, the Sunday farmers market is fire.
Yeah.
Nice. Have everything.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Belly, what kind of pig is
Is it Juliana the mini pig?
So red.
That is pretty big. Thank
Did you get a
you.
receipt?
No, thank you.
All right. You're all
Thank
set.
you.
You're welcome.
I'll do that with business passion punch.
Sure, yeah.
Ooh, that looks good. Wait, what's in it?
This is a shrimp and fish mixed ceviche, and then there's also a layer of blue crab tobiko spread with fresh
Ooh.
avocado.
Oh my
and
gosh.
spicy-
So I'm waiting on my juice. I got the lily koi one, and I also got some vegetable dumplings.